my little ones. Welcome, pre-KBs. Today in language, we're going to do something really fun. We're going to be practicing to say, my name is, say your name. Good. Okay, now say it complete. My name is, say it again. Good job. Okay, I'm going to show you my example. My name is Miss Angelita. Okay, guys, today we're going to be practicing that, and I hope you enjoyed the activities and the links that we sent you. But to remember a little bit something that we do in class, what about if we can sing a little part of the song hello? Okay, are you ready? Perfect, let's do it. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Okay, I hope you all doing great. Okay, wonderful. Okay, my loved ones, I send you kisses and I miss you so much, okay? Be good and help your parents.